Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Dragon's Breath plant in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the OP plants in Grow a Garden 2 and you can purchase it with 90 million shekels. You can go to the seed shop and then you can purchase it from here, but it's pretty rare, so maybe you need to wait a little longer. Okay, the Dragon's Breath is here. And this Dragon's Breath appears as a studded fire leaf. It's blocky and orange shaded. The inside of the leaf is a fork-like stem, dark orange and surrounded by lighter orange. I've already harvested. Okay, this is the appearance of the Dragon's Breath. And basically guys, the Dragon's Breath can shoot a strong beam of fire at nearby players at night, dealing strong damage to the player. So if you have this plant in your garden, it will help you to protect your garden at night. And then guys, I'm going to show you the basic value of this plant. I'm going to see how much this is worth. Okay, wait. Oh, 6,000 shekels, 6k shekels. But of course, if you have a mutation, the value will be higher. So I would like to recommend you to wait for the mutation, wait for the special weather like Aurora or blood moon, and then the snowfall and so on. So you will get more value from this plant. Thank you guys, and that's all about the Dragon's Breath in Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!